Yeah, I'd say all of this is caused by a battery explosion. It's taken all the paint off and someone's painted it all, but now you can see it's all flaked back to metal. It's just metal. So, and all around here, so I'd say the battery took a really big dump. So I'll fix all this up again. So it's looking a bit shite. Oh well, I've ripped it all back as far as it will go, cleaned it all with prep wash. You can see where the acid was running down there from the battery that popped. But yeah, also done all inside the cabin. So now I'm going to treat certain areas with rust converter and then paint the whole lot. So hopefully it turns out better than shit, but I'm not aiming for anything spectacular. I just want it to look better than it was before I started. So let's see if I can manage that or not. Oh, that'll have to do for now. It was perfect weather when I started doing this, and now it's windy and raining a bit. So I got 2 coats on there. It's still a bit wet, as you can see. It's very shiny. Well, that seems to have dried nicely. I've got the wind reduction mode on my camera today because it's windy. So let's see how that works. There we go, radiator's all nice and repaired. It's been done internally, so the tank was taken off and repaired properly. That's where it was rubbed through. Well, I've made sure that the radiator cannot rub through again. Put some hose there, so it can't actually touch metal, it can only touch rubber. Done that on both sides. The rest of it's all good. I'll keep an eye on that for a little while. Oh, that's all dry and done. I didn't put any filler there so you can still see a bit of the rust meeting, but that's much better than it was. So now I've got to get a new battery tray and put everything back together. I'm going to make new cable for the alternator and everything. Well, that'll do for now. I've still got to get a battery tray for it. I just put the battery there so I can have some power. But yeah, that'll do for now. So I've got nice new wiring down there. It goes to the alternator. Tidied up a bit of the alternator wiring. I want to delete this bit, but I'll do that later. Yeah, that's all nice. I put an extra wire in to go to the evaporator for the air conditioning, to run the fan in there. That one's to run the compressor. That turns on the relay so it triggers the fans. And that one's for the compressor, but that'll go through the pressure switch. Yeah, that's all in nicely. Just got to run some zip ties around the place. And this is under the dash where the air conditioning evaporator goes. There's the temperature probe, the thermostat. And, it's not pretty but not rusty now. So yeah, it was pretty bad. All the paint had come off and it was just all surface rust. I cleaned it all back, rust treated it, painted it as you see. The goal was just to seal it up and make it so it lasts many more years. Now I've got carpet there once all the vacuum lines and neat, so I'll make it all good.